Easy now. Good boy. That's it. Lift up. Good. Steady now. Easy now. Keep moving forward. That's it. Up to the ramp. Keep them moving steady. Guide them into the pen. That's it. Close the gap. They're going in calm. Easy now, big fella. Up you go. Good. Next one, steady. That's it. Keep coming. Easy now. Steady. Oh boy, keep coming. Almost there. Steady. They're settling in nicely. Yes, gentle giants on the move. Keep it straight. Gates opening. Watch the elephants. Slow approach. Easy now. Step carefully. That's it. Good boy. Almost there. Steady. Keep it steady. Watch the front legs. Good. Almost there. Down to the ground. Clear the path. Next one waiting. Keep them moving forward. Steady pace. Guide the lead elephants to the left holding area. Space them out. Use the barriers for safety. Vitals on the first one look stable. All right. Prep the kit for the next. Vitals on the first one look stable. All right, prep the kit for the next. Hold still now, big guy. Good, just a little more. All right, all done. Good boy. Easy now, big fella. Just a quick scan. Vitals look stable. Good readings. Easy now. Just a quick check. Hold still. Inserting the probe. Temperature is normal. Good job. Scanning vitals now. Heart rate stable. Copy that. Moving to respiratory scan. All clear. Proceeding to the next one. Confirmed. Vitals are normal. Feed it in steady now. Got it. Blades are aligned. Looks clean. Pull the next one. Ready for the next sheet. Check the thickness on this one. Alignment looks good. Proceed. Quality is passing. Next batch. Hold it steady. Angle the blade. Check for uniformity. Over here, let's sort this batch first. Okay, checking the texture on this one. Quality looks good. Move it to the next pile. Careful with the edges. Steady pressure now. Feet is steady, keep the flow consistent. Right, monitoring the pressure now. Move this one to the rinse. Careful with the load. Keep the stream steady, watch for residue. Good, now guide it across the hide. That's clean, hold position.
This one's still got some residue. Got it, I'll give it another pass.
Gently now, get all the residue. Lift it steady. Hang it straight. Got it, moving to the belt. Clear, proceed. Align, next one. Steady on the left edge. Good. Now smooth the center. Looks even. Next one. Keep it moving. Watch the drips. Check the alignment on the next batch. This one looks ready. Align it with the others. Got it. Checking the edges. Careful with this one. The grain is delicate.
Got it, laying it flat now.
Good. Next one. Marking the sections now. Ensuring precise alignment. Safety first. Double check. Final measurement here. Ready on the left. Positioning now. Clear to cut. Aligning the hide now. Engaging the blade. Feed through steadily. Align this edge carefully. Check the alignment. Feed it steady. Watch the line. Good cut. Keep the tension. Clear the output. Next piece. Cut is done. Moving to rack. Looks good. Next piece. All set here. Align these edges precisely. Check this one's thickness. Apply evenly for a smooth finish. Buff in circular motions to bring out the sheen. Align the edges carefully. Got it. Smoothing now. Careful with the alignment. Seals good. Placing now. Aligned and secure. Keep them spaced evenly. Watch for the edge there. Next one coming. Got it. Keep them straight. Looks good. Steady now. Align it tight. All right, bring it forward, keep it straight. Watch the stack, align it with the truck. Good, set it down easy. Securing the straps now. Checking tension, looks good. One more strap, all stable. All right, first pallet coming down. Got it, placing it here. Next one ready. Ready on this end. Got it, bringing it out. Careful with that one. Pressing down to check stability. Wrap is intact, alignment looks good. Safe for storage. Align the edges carefully.